Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about default parameter in JavaScript. Let's get started. So let's create a function sum, and then our function it is going to take two parameters x and y, and then we're going to return x plus y. Let's call our function. See what we are going to get in console, sum, without passing to it any variable. We are getting here none because x plus y. Because x is undefined and y is undefined, we are getting none here. It's not a number. Now, here, if we give, for example, we pass here 10 and 2, we're gonna get 12 in the console. Get 12, for example, but how can we assign x 10 as a default value and y 2 as default value? We are going to pass it here directly. X, we're going to assign it directly within the function. We're going to assign it 10 as a default value. And here, we're going to assign it 2 as default value for y. Now, we are getting here 12. And here, you can see that our function doesn't have any variable passed to it because here we've already defined default value of x and y. That's why we are getting here 12. If we change here 2 to 4, we are getting 14. How can we override? For example, here we override. How can we override a given parameter within a function? Now here, if we pass here, for example, 11, we are going to override x. X, it is going to take the value of 11. And here, if we pass 6, y, it is going to take the value of 6. This is how we can change values of our arguments. Now, let's consider we pass now undefined. Let's pass undefined to the sum. Here, we are going to pass here undefined, and here we are going to pass to undefined. Let's see what we get in a console. Here we are still getting 14. As we are calling the sum function and we are give the first parameter undefined and the second parameter undefined, here it doesn't work because x is undefined. That's why we are getting here 14. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.